Describe a person who enjoys cooking for others. You should say who this person is, what he or she likes to cook, who he or she cooks for, and explain why he or she enjoys cooking.
One person who truly enjoys cooking for others is my friend Lynn. Lynn is a remarkable cook, and she finds immense joy in preparing delicious meals to share with family and friends. Lynn's culinary skills are versatile, but her specialty lies in creating hearty, home-cooked dishes. She loves making comfort food like lasagna, chili, or roast chicken. These dishes are not only tasty, but also have a way of making people feel warm and comforted. Lynn's kitchen often becomes a hub of activity during gatherings and celebrations. Whether it's a family reunion, a birthday party, or a simple weekend get-together, she takes charge of the menu. She cooks for everyone who attends these events, ensuring that no one leaves hungry. It's not just about feeding people for Lynn. It's about creating memorable dining experiences that bring people closer together. Lynn's passion for cooking for others stems from her deep love for food and the joy it brings to people's lives. She believes that sharing a meal is a way to connect with others, create lasting memories, and show love and care. The smiles and compliments she receives when people savor her dishes are her greatest rewards. In essence, Lynn's enthusiasm for cooking for others is driven by her desire to make people happy through food. She takes pride in being able to provide a warm, delicious, and memorable dining experience, and that's why she enjoys cooking so much. Her culinary talents not only satisfy the taste buds, but also nourish the soul and foster meaningful connections with those lucky enough to enjoy her meals.